There's a number of ways. I've seen people with smaller fleets or mechanics use a whiteboard. They keep it in the environment that they're in, and they just mark when the last time the PM was done or what repairs need to be made. The next method up is a spreadsheet. People will use spreadsheets in their computer to date and monitor what they have spent their money on, what comes up next. There is portals on computers or in software that automatically track and remind. Those can be very helpful. You don't have to go search for it.
With our system, we work with Fullbay. That system handles everything from DOTs to PM maintenance, any other service work that is provided. All of that stays in our system and is accessible to our customers.